Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Oracle Database Cloud for performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Oracle Database Cloud for optimal performance, start by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Oracle Database section from the main dashboard. Select the option to create a new database instance. Choose the appropriate database version that suits your requirements. Select the desired database shape based on your performance needs. Ensure to select a high availability option if required for your application. Next, set your database name and credentials, ensuring they are secure. Configure storage options, selecting the amount and type of storage necessary for your workload. Optimize the network settings by choosing a fast and highly available virtual cloud network. Proceed to configure the database parameters to enhance performance. Adjust memory settings to allocate appropriate resources for caching and processing. Enable automatic backups to ensure data safety and performance stability. Consider setting up data encryption for enhanced security and performance alignment. Review your configuration settings to ensure they meet your desired performance standards. Click on the Create button to initiate the database instance provisioning process. Wait for the instance to be created, monitoring the status for completion. Once provisioned, access the database through SQL Developer or any preferred client tool. Perform a performance assessment by running sample queries to ensure proper functioning. Based on the initial performance metrics, tweak configuration options if necessary. Leverage Oracle's performance tuning tools to analyze and refine your setup. Monitor database performance regularly to ensure it meets evolving demands. Stay updated with Oracle's best practices for database optimization and performance tuning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.